I think I will forever remain in the business of styling an outfit from our closets. Don't get me wrong, we are going to purchase new things on this channel, but most time we're going to look into our closets to create an outfit and make it look like a new or completely a new outfit entirely. Welcome back, ladies. How you all doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. So for today's video, as usual, we're going to be styling and recreating an outfit from our closet. What you think you want to purchase online or you want to purchase in the store that you already own in your closet, all you have to do is to pick this and that, put them together to create that look. Have you ever come across something like this on the website and you're like, oh, this look cool, looks like chic style, you know, it looks like very fun way to style an outfit, and you're thinking that I think I'm going to buy that. No, ladies, you do not have to. You do not need to buy it, except if you need it. If you really desperately you want that style and you think you don't have anything to recreate it in your closet, then go ahead and purchase it. But if you want to be creative, trust me, ladies, you can really recreate this outfit from your closet, and I'm going to show you in this video. Before I move on with today's video, if today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification bell so as to get notified whenever I have a new video. And please do endeavor to leave me comments in the comment section. Let me know your thoughts about this video. Don't forget to share with friends and family. You never can tell. Maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell. So for the first look, what we're going to be creating is this one that you can see on the screen. Yes, the one I use as my example. We're going to recreate this from our closets using what we already own in the closets. This is made together, but this is what we want to prompt you or tempt you to purchase it, which you can actually recreate it from your closet. So all you have to find in your closet is a bodysuit, if you have one that has a v-neck, if you have one. All right, it might not even be a bodysuit because nobody will know by the time you put the pants on or your jean on or your skirt. Nobody will know. So in this case, I am going to be using a bodysuit that I own in my closet with a v-neck, and all you have to find again, make sure the bodysuit is v-neck. All right, that is very important in order for you to be able to get this style. Then you're going to need a shirt. So I'm going to be using this shirt to recreate the first look. You can use white shirt, yellow shirt, whatever you have in your closets. All right, what we're going for is the style, not the pattern, not the color, and not the design. We're going for the style. All right.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs, I'm ready to fly, no drugs. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come inside it.
The second recreation of outfits, we're going to need another shirt. I'm going to be using this white shirt, and all you need is either if you have a mono strap. If you don't have a mono strap, you can recreate it. This outfit is not even the way it is. I recreated this just to have this look because I want it to be different by the time I start restyling, because this is one of the top I'm going to use to create in this video. So I created this by myself to make it look like this. This is not how it came from the store. So the bottom line, you can create your own mono strap, and all you need in this particular one too is a shirt. It doesn't necessarily have to be white shirts. It can just be any color of your preference.
I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never go back to when we before you forgot my worth. Your love for me feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine before.
For the third outfit, ladies, you're going to need, if you have a flare skirt, or if you have a tube dress just like I do, that's what I'm going to be using, because I do not have a flare skirt that will go for this design that I'm going for. And again, you're going to need, like I said, a flare skirt or a tube dress that is flare. Then you're going to need a shirt, but this time it's going to be a shirt that have a little bit of a bubble sleeve. So I have this white shirt. All right, the back doesn't matter because I'm going to be tucking it in, and you all can see it's going to give me the look. This is what we're going for. I think I should show you the look first for you to know what we're going for, and you can mix and match this and that together from your closet to recreate this, and that's the next style we're going for.
Feels like a rebirth. I don't wanna lose this high, wouldn't wanna lose this high. I just wanna make me yours, I just wanna make you mine. Enough, I've waited as long as I've lived. Thumbs up, come get with yours and what's real. Boot up, blissful in each other's skin above. Finally risen to the occasion. Past love's forgiven. Made heart space for the one. When it feels right, that's that ascension. Never going back to when.
So this is the next style we're going for. You can actually recreate this. This has like a top with a cape at the back. So we're going to recreate this. I do not have a plain black scarf at home, but I'm going to use what I have just to give you an idea of what this is going to look like when you recreate it. And we're going to be using a jean pants because I really want to mimic that style. And like I said, I do not have plain black scarf, but I have this. So this is what we're going to need, and you need a black top. All right, and you're going to see how I'm going to create this. It's going to be fun. Just hang in there. Don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. You never can tell, maybe they will find it entertaining, educative, or informative. You never can tell.
You got me overthinking here where we could be. Needed some clarity. I'm in too deep now. Can't help but picture fantasies. Just you
and the final look, I'm going to be creating 2-in-1. I'm going to show you what I mean by that. This is what I'm going for. Of course, I do not have this applique that has this pink, but this came from a dress that I've started before on this channel. I'm going to be recreating a look from this. All you will need to have to create this look is a tube dress. If you have a tube dress in your closet, it might be black or whatever preference of your color, what you have already in your closet. It's just to create the style. If you don't really want to repurchase, or if you want to, you can. And I'm also going to be styling this applique also to give you an idea of this kind of styles that I've seen on websites, your favorite website, my favorite website, Shein. Yes, you're going to see it, Shein. Yes, so I'm going for this style, this two style. So I'm going to be using the same two dress to recreate different look with these two applique.
like it's meant to be. Can't you see, baby? You got me overthinking. When you come closer to my body, a delicate touch of instinct, moving slow but my heart's racing, yeah. Your fingers sliding down my chest. What do you want from me? Lately it's been nothing.
Alright ladies, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time, I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye.